for today's video, guys. On the way kami ngayon. Papunta kami sa Jury Mall. Ayan, guys, kasi maglalaro ang mga bulilit. Birthday kasi ni Jensen. So, mga playmates ni baby guys sa compound. Magpi-play sila ngayon. So, ito yung parang birthday celebration ng bata. Ayan, guys. So, on the way na kami. Kaya I'm sure mag-e-enjoy ang aking bulilit. Ayan ang forma ni baby Kai. Matutulog muna siya saglit kasi 40 minutes away sa mall bago kami makapunta doon. Yun, guys. Check.
Mapapawal na si baby Kai. Parang ready. Parang play. Ayan, guys. Meron na akong bulilit. Nakala mo binata ang itsura. Pero may dede pa din. At beam. Sayang ang damit. Sige, tulog ka lang anak. Ayan, guys. Yeah! Ayun na si Jensen! Ang birthday boy. Ay. Wow, empty dahil. Mukhang exclusive sa atin to. Empty. Ayun na sila. Wow! Ano? Oh, thank you! Oh. Come on, baby. Get in now.
Any text?
Yay!
Welcome.
Yay! Woo! We're here! Where's Jensen? You put him down now. Jensen! Wow! You're gonna go to the slides? Ready? And ready! Whoop! Go, Dada! Yan! Para kayo naman mapagod. Last time ako eh. Go to Daddy! Uh-oh! Just go. Are you the one enjoying, darling? Yay! Wow! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Put it there, guys! Uh-oh! Baby, sit down. Ooh, come here. Come to mama. Come to mommy. Careful. Yes. Yes. Ooh. Come on then. Yay. Birthday boy. Yay. You want the slide? What's that? It's a duck. Ay, galing ah.
Leave me away.
Wow. Dali na. That's you. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Yes. Ipin it in there. Yay! Leg, okay, come on. Follow daddy. Down there. Oh. Put it in. Put it in. Yes. Go, go. Put it in. Let baby help him to stick it.
Okay. This one? Like that.
Yeah. Ooh. Wow. It's off. What's that?
Push. Push.
Push.
Push.
Push.
Push.
Push. Destroyer ng taon.
Hot dials.
guys, so dito kami sa food court, magdi-dinner. Ayan sila, oh. Then, hindi ko alam kakanin ko, pero syempre chicken. Kain tayo. Nauhaw at nagutom na ako, guys.
Not the modern iron brew, but the old one. Yeah, it's in like a glass bottle. Yeah.
Bawal na kasi. Oh, really?
I ordered my.
Guys, so syempre namili si Happy sa Under Armour. So ako naman hindi papakabog. Kaya namili naman ako dito sa aking favorite Adidas. Lalo na't sale nagkataon, guys. So ayan, bumili ako ng aking pang walking. Ayan guys. At syempre, ayan, magwi-winter na guys. So kailangan natin na long sleeve. Buti na lang at sale. Yes, anak. Likot-likot. Yay! Happy? Oh, pass the ball. Again. Yay! Good job.
No biting.
Pass the ball. Ayan, so bayaran system. Ito lang ang mga nakuha ko, guys. Puro white. Save pa siya, guys. Bili na.